Well, this week, the Abilene City Council and the city staff will undergo budget hearings as they finalize the tax rate for the fiscal year of 2021-2022. City Manager Robert Hanna says right now the city is financially strong, and he says the tax rate will be slightly lowered, not only because the city has paid off debts, but since they've also seen a boom in sales tax revenue post-COVID-19. Through June of this year, 2021, sales tax revenues have increased by almost 6% over the fiscal year for 2020. Sales tax revenues also increasing 32% in May and almost 25% in June. Believed to have come from the funding and the spending of federal stimulus money, the city is anticipating that fiscal year 2021 will continue at a more normal rate and will finish at $1.5 million ahead of the last fiscal year. Now, looking to the future, for 2022, the city is projecting a 3.5% increase over a 3-year average, but overall a decline of $47,000 from the fiscal year of 2021. So before we get our hopes up, just because the tax rate is going down slightly, that does not mean your tax bill will be going down as well. If your house or your business was appraised at a higher rate this year, you will still be paying taxes according to your appraised rate. Budget hearings will be this Tuesday and Wednesday, and they will present the final numbers to the council during this Thursday's meeting. And you may notice some new options for which road to take while you're driving around downtown. In an effort to continue progress for the future of the downtown hotel, this week during council meeting, the council members will be voting to approve directional changes on downtown streets, changing some current one-ways into two-way streets. So that would work directly with the design plans of the Convention Center Hotel. North 5th would change from one-way to two-way between Grape and Plum Streets, and Cypress Street from North 5th to North 6th would also be two-way as well. Another change for a street this week, the City Council voting to rename a street near the soon-to-be Great Lakes Cheese Factory. It'll be named for the company as a thank you gesture for the millions in capital investments made to Abilene. In an effort to increase the vaccination rate and improve herd immunity, the City of Abilene is looking into vaccine incentives for city employees. City Manager Robert Hanna saying as the Delta variant becomes more prominent across Texas, the City of Abilene would like to be proactive in encouraging its employees to get their shots, now inquiring into the use of federal funding for such a program.
The way we had the plan structured, it creates an environment where ARPA funds are able to be used to pay for any costs for the taxpayer, so the Abilene taxpayer wouldn't be on the money. It'd be federal dollars that are doing this.
The possibility of incentivizing vaccines will be discussed at the next Abilene City Council meeting. That is on Thursday, July 29th at 5:30 in the evening. For more information, you can go to our website, bigcountryhomepage.com.